a U.S. military mini-shuttle launched from Florida to conduct classified experiments in orbit, marking the 8th space mission for the reusable X-37B Orbital Test Vehicle. The uncrewed spacecraft lifted off from Cape Canaveral aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. According to the U.S. Space Force, the mission will test high-bandwidth inter-satellite laser communications and advanced navigation technologies, including the highest-performing quantum inertial sensor to date. The mission highlights the United States' growing investment in resilient space capabilities intended to support both military and national security uses beyond traditional satellite systems. It comes as other nations increase their focus on space-based communications and navigation infrastructure. Boeing, the shuttle's manufacturer, says the vehicle measures roughly 9 meters in length with a wingspan of 4.5 meters. Designed for reusability, the X-37B is capable of autonomous re-entry and landing, giving it a versatile edge in military experimentation. Since its first launch in 2010, the X-37B has logged more than 4,200 days in space. Its previous mission, which lasted just over a year before returning to Earth in March, marked the program's first launch on a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket. That flight reached a highly elliptical orbit and tested the shuttle's aerobraking maneuver, a process that uses atmospheric drag over multiple passes to adjust orbits while minimizing fuel consumption. General Chance Saltzman, the U.S. Space Force's Chief of Space Operations, praised the last mission earlier this year. Mission 7 broke new ground by showcasing the X-37B's ability to flexibly accomplish its test and experimentation objectives across orbital regimes. The successful execution of the aerobraking maneuver underscores the U.S. Space Force's commitment to pushing the bounds of novel space operations in a safe and responsible manner, he said in March. In another post on X, Saltzman added, "This mission is about more than innovation. It's about making our joint force more connected, more resilient, and ready to operate in the face of any challenge. That's how America's Space Force secures our nation's interests in, from and to space." William Blauser, Deputy Director of the Air Force Rapid Capabilities Office, also emphasized the mission's importance. OTV-8 exemplifies the X-37B's status as the U.S. Space Force's premier test platform for the critical space technologies of tomorrow. Through its mission-focused innovation, the X-37B continues to redefine the art of the possible in the final frontier of space, he said.